Hello guys, today tutorial is all about a review tutorial and I'm going to do a review of Super Aqua Cell Renew Snail Sleeping Mask, which is by Missha. All you know that Missha is a Korean brand and it's a very well-known brand for its product. So this is the packaging inside the bottle. I bought it in from China, so obviously on the back side it's Chinese. But international version must have the English ingredients. The price for 110 ml bottle is $23, which I owe. So what this says, it says it contains snail slime extract and which improves damaged skin and soothes the skin. And it also provides concentrated moisture. So before I start my review and you go to the review, please subscribe my channel and hit the notification bar so you can get the notification of my new videos whenever I come. The snail mucin that are used in the snail products, it is actually this species Phallus aspersa species, which is the commonly known as a garden snail, and no snail is harmed during that procedure to extract their mucin. Their mucin actually it contains glycoprotein, hyaluronic acid and glycolic acid, and we all know that they are so much good for your skin. So what they do, they actually prevent the dryness and makes your skin more like a dewy. And because snail slime has fewer allergic reactions or ingredients in it, so it suits most of the people. And it's just not that snail slime gives you the hydration and it gives you the dewy skin. It also has anti-aging benefits. Its mucus is rich in hyaluronic acid, which exhibits actually antioxidant activities, which stimulates your collagen production and enhance wound healing. That's why this product claimed that it's suitable for aging skin and for sensitive skin. The things which I like about this product, first is the bottle. Obviously the bottle is it's very cute, I could say. And the second is the texture. The texture is just like it's non-sticky. Actually the products which have sticky texture, they do not go well on a skin and it gives you the oily skin look. But this cream, it does not have, the sleeping mask does not have the texture which is sticky, and it's more like a sort of gel sort of. Whenever I use sleeping mask, I always do face massage, so you should do also that. So after some time you can see my skin, it doesn't look like that there is any sort of cream that I have applied or any mask that I have applied, and I really like that texture because all the creams or the sleeping mask which gives you the sticky texture, they are not good for your skin, or at least not for my skin. Maybe they are good for the dry skin, and it gives you the matte look, which actually I really love it when you sleep, and you don't find any traces of your sleeping mask on your pillowcase or anywhere. And even on the next day when you wake up with a very soft, supple skin. This sleeping mask gives your skin a soft texture. And what it's doing to my skin, what I have noticed that my skin, it was because it's acne prone, so most of the time I get acne whenever I try to switch products. So I was using the Olay night cream in between with this mask because I bought it, so I was trying that one too, but it just gave me a very bad breakout. Even it was written that it's for oily skin, but it was I don't know what's wrong with that cream. So I used that sleeping mask after that, and I'm in really love with it because what it's doing, it's actually brightening my skin with the passage of time, and it's also lightening some of my acne scars which I had. And the good thing about this product, you start feeling after 1 week of application, you start feeling a bit difference in your skin, but that's not a dramatic difference. I would say you would not see like in 1 week you will have a very dramatic difference, but you will start seeing that your skin is it's looking more like a hydrated one, and it just looks like hydrated, not the sticky one or not the oily one, which is a good thing. And you also start feeling like your skin is getting one tone brighter, and the scars you had on your face, they start getting lighter. This product has it's a basically full line. They also have some cream, and they have the mask too, and sheet mask, which one of my friends she used, and yes, I have seen the difference. So there is one thing which I noticed, lots of people, they complain that it gave them breakout after 1 week of application. So what I noticed, you cannot use one product, even this product which I like, I cannot use this product every time. The way I said, I bought it in 4 months and I use it on and off. The reason was that in between these 4 months I was switching the environment. Like I went to my hometown, and when I went to my hometown has a humid weather, and the temperature is quite like, it's just like 47 degrees Celsius, and there was so much humidity and my skin was getting so much oily. This product was not working at humid environment. When I applied it at night, in the morning my skin was looking so greasy, it was looking oily, and even I got whiteheads after that. So I stopped using this product in that environment. And when I came back to China, because the environment in Beijing was it's dry, it's more like drying weather, so when I came there and I started applying this product, it suits me. So what I noticed, if you are living in an environment where there is a humidity and your skin is oily, then you might this product will not suit you. This is my opinion. But if you are living in an environment which is dry and your skin needs hydration and you have oily skin, then it suits you. People who have very dry skin, I doubt that if it's actually if it would be enough for them. I think they had to apply some sort of serum before that, like the particular Korean regime, and then they had to apply the sleeping mask. Another con which I found, there is a scent in this product, which lots of people, they complain, maybe if you're allergic to scents, so I'm not sure, maybe you don't like it. And how you can use this product, there are other alternatives that you can use this product, like you can use it twice a week. Some people, they do it, so you can also do it. Like if I find my environment is not that good, that I should use it on daily basis, so some of the days I use it like on twice a week, or you can use it on daily basis. It depends upon you. Some people, they actually use this product as a day cream. Some days I have actually done that. So whenever I buy new product, what I do two things. I use that product, and if I feel the product is giving me breakout, I wait for the weather change. Like I try that product again, like in winters. If the product I bought in winter and it doesn't suit me, I will try that product in summer. Or if I bought the product in summer, I will wait till winter if that product still suits me or not. If not, then I just give that product to somebody else. So overall, if you ask me if I buy this product, yes, I will buy this product in future, because I actually love it. Because it's very difficult for me to find something which I can apply on at night. Even I have tried Olay products and they do not suit me. Most of people, they would have think that why I always give a review of products which I always say that I will buy in future, because the products which I do not like, I usually do not give them, I usually do not review them. I usually review the products which I like. I don't know, maybe next time I should try to give review on some products which I do not like. But and I'm using the Missha sheet mask too, the tea tree one and the pomegranate one and the rice one I had. And the next review which I will give on Missha sheet mask with the Innisfree sheet mask, maybe the comparison.